polarized steel and the margin steel, which is the main steel which we are predominantly used in structural application and industrial tooling applications. Okay. In this class, we are going to see about the next of the unit, which is known as non-ferrous metals. As the name implies, these non-ferrous metals don't have their iron as the base. Ferrous metals have iron as their base material, but non-ferrous metals don't have iron as their base material. But instead, we can use this iron as the part of alloy element, but not as the base element. Right? For steel, we are using iron as the base element, and we are going to mix iron with carbon, it forms steel. So iron is the base element. For other non-ferrous metals, we don't use iron as base material, or for alloys, we don't use iron as the base material for many of these type of alloys. Okay. So the first non-ferrous alloy what we are going to see is copper. So next to iron, we are predominantly using aluminum as one of the non-ferrous alloy. So equal to the aluminum, we are using copper nowadays, so that for many applications like structural application, for electrical applications, thermal applications, and sometimes in industrial applications, we are using copper as the one of the major alloy. The first one is that copper, which has the melting point of 1080 degrees Celsius, and the major role of copper is it has very good corrosion resistance. It's because copper, once it touches the normal atmosphere, it forms a shield, something like copper oxide, so that the external air cannot touch the aluminum, touch the copper. Okay, it forms an outer base or outer shield like a hand gloves. Okay, if you have a hand gloves, we can't feel the respect. So the same way, the copper will create a shield around its area, so that the main corrosion resistance happens due to the shield which is created over the copper. The main application is that these three are the major applications, major properties of copper. First one is corrosion resistance. As I already told, it forms the non-corrosive layer around its structure. So no atmospheric air or noise can touch the area. Okay. The second one is thermal conductivity. For most of the heat exchangers, heaters, coolers, or which is used in refrigeration application, or heat exchange application, or HVAC application, or air filtration application, we are using copper as the main source or copper as the tubes or carrying over the cooling materials or cooling liquid. The first one is electric conductivity. As nowadays, as older days, they have used copper as one of the utensils for heating and cooling. Okay, so copper has more long history. As we divide the history as iron age, copper age, steel age, then only we are going to bronze age. Right? So there is a prevalence of copper as long in ancient times. Okay. The main application of copper is power cable, circuit board connector. We will see these copper alloys one by one. So these applications of copper alloys as we move on to the course. The first one what we are going to see is brass. Okay, there are two types of brass. First, the brass, this is made up of copper as the major base material, and additional zinc as the additional material. As like steel, what we are using iron and carbon as the two base material, two important materials. As like for copper, we are going to use, for brass, we are going to use copper and zinc as the base material. So if you add zinc up to 36%, it is known as alpha brass. Okay. As we see in the phase diagram, we say alpha and gamma, right? At the same way, if we add 36% up to 36% of zinc, it is added, it is alpha brass. It is more than 36% of zinc, it is going to be alpha beta brass, because we have two phases, right? So the alpha brass is used for materials where we need ductile nature. Okay, where we use for soft applications, we use copper alloys, for example, like utensils, household activities. From alpha beta brass, which is predominantly used in heat exchangers, where high temperature steam or high temperature fluids flows through. Okay, so there we are using alpha beta. these are the types of brass. First one is drainage brass.